Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to The Big Sweep. Today, we've got something special for you. 10 genius tips for the best cleaning routine. If you're tired of feeling overwhelmed by chores, stick around because we've got some game-changing strategies coming your way. Tip number 1, start with a plan. Take a few minutes to jot down what areas of your home need attention and prioritize tasks. Breaking down your cleaning routine into manageable chunks can make a world of difference in staying organized and efficient. Tip number 2, organize your supplies. Always make sure you have all your supplies ready to go before you start cleaning. Running back and forth to grab a forgotten item can really slow you down. Not only do you waste precious time, but it's easy to get distracted by something you happen to spot on the way to get your forgotten item. Keep your supplies organized and easily accessible to streamline your routine. Tip number 3, work from top to bottom. When tackling surfaces like shelves, countertops, and furniture, always remember to work from the top down. This way, any dust or debris that falls will land on surfaces you haven't cleaned yet, saving you from having to double back. Tip number 4, use multi-purpose cleaners. Instead of cluttering your space with a dozen different cleaning products, opt for a few DIY, all-natural multi-purpose cleaners. Not only will this save you money and space, but it'll also simplify your cleaning routine. And if you run out in the middle of cleaning, you only have to go as far as your kitchen to get more. Tip number 5, clean in short spurts. Feeling overwhelmed? Set a timer for 15 to 20 minutes and focus on cleaning as much as you can during that time. Breaking your tasks into smaller chunks can make them feel more manageable and help you stay motivated and on task. If you're enjoying the video so far, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more genius content. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future episodes. Tip number 6, delegate cleaning tasks. Don't be afraid to delegate tasks if you have others living with you. Assigning responsibilities can lighten your load and make cleaning feel more like a team effort. It's a good way to teach your kids how to clean and be responsible for their own space. Tip number 7, do small tasks on a daily basis. Incorporate small cleaning tasks into your daily routine to prevent messes from piling up. Spending just a few minutes each day wiping down surfaces or tidying up can make a huge difference in maintaining a clean home. Tip number 8, keep clutter at bay. Clutter can quickly make a clean space feel chaotic. Invest in storage solutions like baskets, bins, and shelves to keep your belongings organized and out of sight. Make sure you label the bins and baskets for quick and easy access. Tip number 9, regular maintenance. Regular maintenance tasks often get overlooked, but are crucial for keeping your home clean and functioning smoothly. Set reminders for things like replacing air filters, checking for leaks, and deep cleaning appliances. These relatively small tasks can prevent much larger ones over time. Tip number 10, reward yourself. And don't forget to reward yourself for a job well done. Whether it's treating yourself to a favorite snack or taking a well-deserved break, acknowledging your hard work can make cleaning feel more rewarding. We want to hear from you, so comment below with your favorite tip from today's video and share any of your own cleaning tips. Leave your cleaning and decluttering questions in the comments below, and we'll answer them as quickly as possible. Click here to see 24 lazy habits for keeping the house clutter-free if you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more cleaning inspiration. Ring that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching today, and we'll see you in the next video.